In our modern, often dynamic living spaces, flexibility is key. This particular rolling snack table, while unassuming in its name, offers a surprisingly sophisticated solution for creating a comfortable, adaptable workspace or leisure area, precisely where you need it most. It isn't merely a place for a snack. It's a mobile hub designed to enhance your daily routines. For anyone seeking to bring their laptop work, a meal, or even just a book closer to their comfort zone, be it from the sofa, an armchair, or even in bed, this table stands ready as a genuine daily driver. It's built for those who value seamless transitions between tasks and positions, bringing true utility to various scenarios across your home. Let's delve into what makes this particular design so effective. The surface itself is a generous 48 by 40 centimeters. This isn't just a number. It translates into a practical, expansive area that comfortably accommodates a full-sized laptop, a mouse, and perhaps your morning coffee or a small notepad without feeling cramped. What's thoughtful here is its ambidextrous design, ensuring both left and right-handed users can orient themselves perfectly, avoiding awkward wrist angles. Crucially, the height adjustment is truly versatile, ranging from 70 to 90 centimeters. This broad spectrum means it can effortlessly slide over most sofas or beds, adapting from a comfortable sitting height to a much higher point, perhaps even serving as a low-profile standing desk alternative when you need to stretch your legs. The smooth, rolling wheels allow for effortless repositioning, transforming a cozy corner into a productive zone in moments. And for peace of mind, the subtle, raised ledges along the edges mean your devices or your breakfast plate stay securely in place, even with slight movements. It's a solid build, designed to handle the regular demands of a busy household. The true impact of a tool like this is felt in the small, yet significant improvements to your quality of life and productivity. Imagine transitioning from a focused work session on your laptop to watching a film with a snack, then to enjoying a leisurely breakfast in bed, all with the same stable, perfectly positioned surface. It eliminates the precarious balancing act of items on laps or unstable side tables. For those who work remotely, it offers the freedom to change your environment, preventing the fatigue of being stuck in one spot, while still maintaining an ergonomic setup. For individuals with limited mobility, or simply those seeking extra comfort, it's a revelation, making activities like reading or dining significantly more accessible and enjoyable. The easy-to-clean aspect also contributes to this peace of mind, ensuring maintenance is never a chore. This table genuinely becomes a workhorse, quietly supporting a more comfortable and flexible lifestyle. Considering its comprehensive utility, adaptable design, and practical features, this rolling snack table proves itself to be a remarkably smart investment. It delivers exceptional bang for the buck, not just as a piece of furniture, but as a genuine enabler of comfort and productivity. It's the kind of subtle upgrade that, once integrated into your daily routine, you'll wonder how you ever managed without. As with any quality tech accessory or home utility, prices can shift, reflecting current demand or ongoing promotions. Verifying the latest offer ensures you're making the most informed decision for your space and your budget. I put the link below so you can check the current price.